The direct drive system can cut your electricity bills. You can operate your washer at any place, at your convenience, since our DD washer hardly makes any noise or vibration. The semi-permanent motor installed in our DD washer has a much simpler structure than the conventional motor has. So, the durability of the DD washer is exceedingly higher than other washers. A rational consumer can make a choice simply. Using a direct drive washing machine, you can wash larger loads. A DD washer can reduce the damage and the creases that result from the narrowness of a conventional washing drum. The direct drive washing machine has a water circulation system. Water is continuously recirculated using a shower nozzle at the top of the drum. So, you need less water for washing. This shower spray function can lessen the allergy from detergents, since the water shower can dissolve the detergent perfectly. The DD motor will detect the weight of your laundry when you start the washing process, and select the optimum washing time and the amount of water for you. You can save water and electricity, but still obtain the cleanest laundry. Your DD washer is environmental.